कौन सा ब्रांड है जिसने हमें ये सिखा दिया कि दाग अच्छे होते हैं? Yes, you guessed it right, Surf Excel. When every brand is selling shine this Diwali, one brand quietly built its empire around stains. And not just any stains, the kind that come from doing good. From muddy kurtas to color smeared hands, Surf Excel taught India that daag अच्छे हैं. But here is the question. How did a detergent brand in a price sensitive market like India manage to own the emotional high ground? Why do its ad makers teary every Diwali while everyone else screams discount? Because Surf Excel doesn't sell detergent, it sells decency. It doesn't market cleaning clothes, it markets cleaning hearts. याद है वो दिवाली वाला ad? एक छोटी सी लड़की जो एक स्पेशल नीड्स वाले बच्चे की हेल्प करती है दियास जलाने में। उसका कपड़ा खराब होता है पर उस दिन उसने किसी और का दिन बना दिया। और दैट वन जहां एक बच्चा पटाखे नहीं जलाता बल्कि एक बुजुर्ग के घर की सफाई करता है। Those weren't just commercials, they were cultural commentaries. That's the real magic of Surf Excel. That's the real magic of a good brand. Hi, this is Nidhi Singh, and you're watching This is Digital Marketing, where we decode how brands move hearts and not just markets. And today we are unpacking how Surf Excel turns stains into symbol of empathy and purpose into profit, and that's how good brands do it. Surf entered Indian home back in 1959. It was one of Hindustan Unilever's first household brands, positioned premium high-quality detergent. Back then, marketing meant foam whiteness and stain removal. But India wasn't ready for premium detergents. We didn't have money. When Nirma arrived in 1980s with washing powder Nirma at half the price, the market flipped overnight. Surf was suddenly the rich person's detergent. Instead of cutting price, HUL changed the narrative from product benefit to emotional benefit, from stain removal to life enrichment. Marketing insight: when you can't compete on price, compete on perspective, compete on emotion. Fast forward 2005. Low Lintas and HUL launched Daag Achhe Hain campaign. The tagline was simple, but the psychology behind it was revolutionary. It flipped the category from avoid dirt to embrace it, because stains in Surf Excel's world are proof of goodness. A boy jumping into puddles to protect the strand, a sister dirtying her dress to comfort her brother. हर दाग के पीछे एक कहानी होती है of प्यार, care और थोड़ा सा courage. Surf Excel wasn't talking about detergent anymore. It was talking about values. Within just 3 years, Surf Excel saw brand recall jump 40% and sales rise by 25% year on year across key metros. HUL's internal data showed the campaign lifted category penetration by 5 to 7 points, especially in premium detergent households. The emotional shift didn't just win awards, it's won wallets. Marketing insight: the best campaign don't sell features, they sell a value, they sell a benefit, they sell a emotion. And Daag Achhe Hain was not just a tagline, it was a lens through which Surf Excel started seeing culture. The brand tapped into India's parenting psychology, moving from control to compassion. From Indian mothers, Surf Excel became an ally. It said, don't worry, if your kid gets dirty, you are raising a good human. And that message hit home. They localized every campaign from Holi to Eid, Ganesh Chaturthi to Diwali. Festivals weren't product moments. They were proud moments. They were emotional mirrors. Every year, Surf Excel dropped a film that didn't sell detergent. It sold decency. It sold emotions. The Diwali connection when stains met goodness. Can you imagine like how you would come across that a detergent brand could steal the deal during festival time, right? Diwali, the festivals of light, became Surf Excel's strongest storytelling stage. While other brands flaunted glamour, Surf Excel celebrated goodness that shines brighter than gold. In 2016, Neki Naye Rang Mein ad showed a boy cleaning neighbors' homes, spreading light beyond his own. In 2019, in Holi, Rang Lai Sang blurred religious lines, a Hindu boy protecting his Muslim friend. Different festivals, same emotion, unity through empathy. And as I speak about it, I still get goosebumps thinking about these emotionally stirring ads that actually form the culture that we live in. Surf Excel's festive storytelling works because it's rooted in Indian values, not marketing trends. It's not about showing wealth, it's about showing warmth. Marketing insight: great brands don't join festivals, they interpret them. And they interpret them the Surf Excel way. Let's talk about performance and product segments who buy Surf Excel. After Daag Achhe Hain, Surf Excel moved from emotional dominance to portfolio precision. Today, the brand operates in four segments: Surf Excel Matic, top load, front load for metro and high income machine using households; Surf Excel Liquid, quick wash for young dual income urban families; Surf Excel Easy Wash for middle income and semi urban buyers; Surf Excel Bar and sachets for rural and budget conscious customers. Each format targets a unique household income bracket from 10K to 50K monthly disposable range. In urban metros, Surf commands nearly 65% of HUL's detergent premium share, while in non-metros it maintains reach through small packets like 10 to 20 rupees sachets. Marketing insight: premium positioning only works when mass affordability walks beside it. And if you are anyone who is in metros, you will know Surf Excel thrives on modern retail e-commerce with strong brand storytelling across YouTube, Meta, OTT. Around 20% of Surf Excel's metro sales now come through digital channels like Blinkit, Amazon, Zepto, and Big Basket. But in non-metros, the real hero is traditional retail. Small kiranas, neighborhood stores, and last mile distribution still drive over 70% of total volume. Surf Excel uses a hybrid marketing model like many other brands: digital first in metros, hyper local, festive led in non-metros. In towns like Lucknow or Coimbatore, Surf uses regional storytelling and local language ads to drive relatability. And many big brands too, by now we have seen that. Marketing inside, digital reach wins in cities, but human storytelling wins hearts in entire Bharat. Now the digital era, storytelling meets data. As attention span shrink, Surf Excel evolved. They moved from long emotional films to micro moments. Reels showing 15-second acts of kindness, YouTube film perfectly timed for festive launches, influencer collabs amplifying empathy. Their message stayed timeless, but the medium got smarter. आज के सर्व के एड्स में ज्यादा इमोशंस है, कम डायलॉग्स. एक आंखों का सीन ही कहा कह देता है. Surf Excel, how uses sentiment analysis, YouTube heat maps, and A/B tested storytelling to personalize emotions. Marketing insight: when your emotion becomes measurable, you make purpose profitable. Let's talk about income, reach, affordability, and play. India's average urban household income is 4 to 6 lakh annually. Surf Excel's premium variant cater to upper middle household earning 10K monthly disposable. Its smaller packs and bars target aspirational mass segment, ensuring inclusivity. The price ladder ensured that Surf Excel is not just a brand for metros, it's a household staple for Mumbai to Meerut. Marketing insight: price elasticity matters less when emotional elasticity is high. What marketers can learn this Diwali? Flip the fear. They turn stains are bad into stains are proof of good. Anchor in emotion. Use festive for purpose. Build product tiers to reach every income level and location. Balance metro with Bharat. Stay consistent for decades, not campaigns. So, as you light your diyas and Diwali, remember Surf Excel isn't selling detergent, it's selling a reminder that real brightness comes from goodness. This is me, Nidhi, signing off from This is Digital Marketing. See you in the next video. One more thing. Do comment and let me know, what do you know about Surf and its journey? And how do you remember your childhood and watching these ads? Do comment and let me know what else you want to see on this channel. See you in the next video.